Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon gift card. First, find the unique claim code, which is usually 14 or 15 characters long, on your physical card or in your email. Then, log into your Amazon account, go to Account and Lists, and select Gift Cards. You will see an option to redeem a gift card where you can enter your code. Once you have successfully redeemed your gift card, its value is immediately added to your Amazon account balance. You can easily check your updated balance by visiting the gift cards section under your account. This balance will automatically be used for your next eligible purchases, making shopping simple and convenient. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Your available gift card balance will automatically be applied to your order. If your purchase total is more than your gift card balance, you can easily cover the remaining amount using a credit card or another payment method. If you encounter issues, first verify the claim code for accuracy, paying close attention to similar-looking characters like the number 0 and the letter O. Remember, Amazon gift cards typically do not expire, so your balance is safe. Also, confirm your card matches your regional Amazon site. If problems persist, Amazon customer service can provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.